Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the GoPro HERO9 Black Ultimate Bundle, and trust me, this action cam is a game changer. Packing a 12MP sensor, this rugged camera delivers stunning 5K 30 video and 20MP photos, ensuring you capture every detail of your adventures. The Hyper-Smooth 2.0 stabilization offers 3 levels: on, high, and boost, providing the smoothest footage ever. Whether you're into wide-angle shots or crave that extra stability, this camera has you covered across all resolutions and frame rates. Plus, the in-app horizon leveling is a game-changer for those perfect horizons. The streamlined design is more pocketable, and the folding fingers make mount swapping a breeze. Changing batteries is faster than ever with the new side door, and the lens is 2x more impact-resistant. And let's talk about the extras in the bundle: SanDisk Extreme 64GB microSD, 2x extra battery, dual charger, head strap, bobber, and a cleaning kit. It's a complete package for any adventure. But the HERO9 Black doesn't stop there. It's modular. Vloggers and filmmakers can expand their creativity with mods like the Media Mod, providing shotgun mic performance, and the ability to attach Light Mod and Display Mod for an enhanced shooting experience. Live streaming in 1080p is a breeze with hyper-smooth stabilization, making sure your audience gets the best view. And don't worry about missing unexpected moments. The HERO9 Black's Power Tools feature, including Hindsight, lets you record 30 seconds before hitting the record button. In conclusion, with a 1.4-inch front display for vlogging, 33 waterproof without a housing, and the option for deeper dives with an additional housing, the HERO9 Black is a powerhouse. Whether you're an action enthusiast or a content creator, this camera is your all-in-one solution. This is just scratching the surface. There's so much more to explore with the HERO9 Black. Stay tuned for more in-depth tests and adventures. Subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things tech and adventure. Catch you in the next one. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.